Hello everyone, my name is Sudip Maiti. I'm a career designer. Nowadays मेरे को बहुत कॉल मिलता है and people are asking me, is there any specific format for the reference? There is no specific reference I want to say to all of you. There is no specific format for the reference, and better not to put any kind of the reference in your CV as long as the interviewer is looking for the reference. That means that when they are asking for the reference, that means almost they're about to finalize you for the job roles and responsibility what they are giving it to you. So keep in mind that things when you are giving the reference, someone reference, before giving the reference, talk to that person and ensure that that person is ready to give his or her reference to you so that you can tell their name when the interviewer will ask, or might be what they can do, they may ask you to fill up the form, company's form, and in that form what they are asking, what is the person name, their contact number, their email address, what is their roles and responsibility, and what is their current designations. So keep in mind that thing, there is no specific format, but whenever they will ask you for the job reference, you have to prepare for that. But prior to that, as I told, please ensure they are ready to give their reference to you. Thank you. Wait for the next episode where I will talk about the next topic, how can someone work under pressure.